You looking for some thin cases for your Pixel 9 Pro XL? Well, I might have the thing for you, so let's check these out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, I have picked up the thin cases from Mous for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's check these out. So I picked up two colors. I picked up the black version and I picked up the clear version. So yeah, I've had my eyes on these for a couple of other phones for a while, but I just never got around to getting my hands on them. So I made a point to go and get these picked up for the 9 Pro XL. So let's just check these out. Mouse's packaging never changes. Made for Google Pixel. This product has been certified by Mous to meet Google's compatibility standards. Google is not responsible for the operation of this product or its compliance. Interesting. Okay, so this is the thin case. So these are made from like a hard plastic, but this one has like a coating over it, which is kind of silicone-y, but it's quite nice. The Mous brand on there is quite subtle as well. I will say now, I think I do prefer the solid color to the clear, if I'm being honest, but that's just a personal preference. I'm not really a clear case person, but we'll check these out. So let's just weigh these cases. So the clear is weighing in at 33 grams. And the black version is weighing in at 34 grams. So we have a gram of a difference, if that makes any difference to you. So on the inside then of the non-clear case, we do have like a microfiber lining, which is quite nice, and then we've got the Magsafe cutout there as well for the ring. It is quite nice. There's no buttons on this case, there's just cutouts. I would have liked maybe to have seen buttons, but that's just me. Molded camera guard as well. We have our cutouts here for the microphone and for the microphone USB port and speaker. So you'll notice here there is these sort of cuts in the corner. So these cuts are to help to give a bit of flexibility to get the case on and off. So without further ado, let's try this out. So just pop that in like that. Yeah, that's very sleek actually. I must say I do like that. There's the cutouts then for the buttons. Obviously with the phone being glossy, you are going to get fingerprints all over the buttons. Comes with the territory, I'm afraid. But yeah, that's very nice. It is thin, minimal. You can see there's your cutout for your microphone. And then there's your USB port, your speakers and your microphone. So that is all well and good there. The buttons are easily accessible. That's what you want. Yeah, that's really good. So let's just do the fitment test then. So if we just take the corners and we give it a twist, yeah, the phone is well gripped in there. The phone is not moving, so that's what you want. Sometimes with thin cases, the fitment can be a bit here and there, and that's why, you know, sometimes you give it a twist, the phone will just pop out at the corners. This doesn't. This is really decent. The fit's really good on that. I'm quite happy with that. And then if we look at screen lip, so this case is really thin, so you get very little of a screen lip on it. It's very minimal, if any at all. So if you do set it down flat, you're going to get the very bare bones of lift up protection there. It is what it is. That's the trade-off with thin cases, unfortunately. If we look at the camera guard then, we can see that it is molded. It does come up over the glass ever so slightly. The lip is very minimal here as well. So if you do set that down flat, again, you're getting very minimal protection. But that's the trade-off when you get these thin cases. I will say the feel of it feels really good. That sort of texture on that does feel a bit slippery at first, but I do think the more you use it, it is going to get a bit grippier as you use it. So yeah, I mean, I do like it, and I know what you're thinking as well. If this is really thin, is it hard to get it off? Well, there's a little trick to getting these thin cases off, and I'm going to show you. So what you do is, if you literally take your thumb and put it on your camera guard, and if you just lift up at the corners of the case and just push the phone just pops out like that. It's very easy. Now it did take me a while to figure that out, but yeah, that's what you do. You just sort of push on the camera guard and you just push it out like that, and it just pops out straight away. That's a little trick. You've heard it here. And of course, Magsafe compatible cases, so we can do a Magsafe test. So let's just try this out. So I am intrigued with this. The past few mouse cases I've tried for the iPhone and I've tried for the likes of the Samsung S24 Ultra. The magnets have been really poor in my honest opinion, and I think it's been something that mouse have needed to change for a very long time. So I haven't tried these thin cases before, so I'm intrigued to see just what the magnets are like. So let's just check this out. Oh wow. Well, that's unexpected. Oh yeah, look at that. I never would have got that from one of the iPhone cases, for sure. Wow, that's surprisingly good. Surprisingly good. So what do you guys think? So that's the black version. So we'll quickly just try the clear version here. So we'll just pop this in like so. And again, obviously you get a bit of a trade-off of these. This is a clear case. It's going to be a fingerprint magnet. It's going to be an absolute nightmare, but it doesn't look bad with the black phone, if I do say so myself. Same characteristics. We do have the same style and everything here, so everything is pretty much the same. Buttons are easily accessible. You know, you're getting the exact same lip protection on the screen and the camera guard. You know, you're getting all this. And yeah, let's just try the Magsafe as well. Yeah, that's really good. That is really good. So I actually still have the dummy phone here as well. So if we just pop these in, there we go. So what do you guys think? Do you prefer clear or do you prefer the black? Personally, I do like the black, and Mouse do have these in a selection of colors as well, which is really good. So if you are interested in picking any of these up, I will leave you links in the description down below to where you can pick these up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support, much appreciated. So yeah, I will say that's a very good thin case. I'm really glad to see Mouse have improved the MagSafe on these cases, because previously on other mouse cases I've tried, the MagSafe just has not been great. So I'm really glad to see that this has changed. So I would recommend that. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So that about wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So keep it locked to the channel. I do have a lot more Pixel 9 Pro XL content coming, so stay tuned for that. And if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Oh yeah.